Now, let me introduce you the latest package of car washing machine. This is the control box. It's made of stainless steel. It can be also made of stainless steel in different colors. Look at this is yellow. We can make red, black, green, etc. This is a water gun. This is foam gun. We can make it longer if you need. This is a wax gun. The nozzle can be adjusted to produce different liquid type. Usually the standard length of the black hose is 5.5 meters. We can make it longer, like 10 meters or 20 meters if you like. The screen will show the balance, remaining time, and the unit price. Now let me try all functions one by one. First, put the coins, banknotes, water. Press again to stop. Water. Foam.
Dust absorption. Wash hands. Blow dry. Waxy water. Settlement.